In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your GoDaddy domain to Vercel, step by step, so you can connect your custom domain and get your website live without confusion. If you've ever felt stuck on DNS settings, A records, CNAME records, or that annoying invalid configuration message, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to do. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Vercel dashboard. Once you're inside, click on the project you want to connect your domain to. This is important because the domain will be attached to that specific project, so make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Now, from the left sidebar, click on Domains. This is where Vercel lets you manage custom domain connections for your project. In the domain field, type in your GoDaddy domain name and click Add. You can enter the root domain, like yourdomain.com, and Vercel will start the setup process right away. Next, Vercel will ask how you want to redirect your domain. In most cases, you should choose the default option that redirects your domain.com to www.yourdomain.com, or vice versa, depending on how you want your primary version to work. This keeps your site consistent and helps avoid duplicate versions of the same website. After that, you'll probably see an invalid configuration status. Don't panic, this is completely normal at this stage. Vercel is actually giving you the exact DNS records you need to add inside GoDaddy. Keep this Vercel tab open, because you'll need the values shown here in just a moment. Now, open a new tab and log into your GoDaddy account, specifically your GoDaddy control portfolio. Once you're signed in, find the domain you want to use. Click the three dots next to it, then select Manage DNS. This is where you'll update the records so GoDaddy points your domain toward Vercel. Before adding anything new, look through your existing DNS records. If you see any A records with the name field set to @ or any CNAME records with the name field set to www, delete them first. These old records can conflict with your new Vercel setup and stop the domain from connecting properly. Once the conflicting records are removed, click Add New Record. Now you're going to add the required A record first. Set the record type to A. In the name field, enter a dot for the value, use 76.76.21.21, or use the specific IP address that Vercel shows you in your dashboard if it's different. Leave the TTL set to default, or 1 hour. After that, add your CNAME record. Set the type to CNAME. In the name field, enter www. In the value field, type verceldns.com. Again, keep the TTL on default or 1 hour. Once both records are entered, click Save for each one so GoDaddy applies the changes. Now return to your Vercel tab. Next to your domain, click the Refresh button. Vercel will check your DNS settings again and see whether the records have started pointing correctly. If everything is set up properly, the status will eventually change from invalid configuration to a green valid configuration message. When that happens, your domain is connected and your website is live on Vercel. One quick thing to keep in mind, DNS propagation can take some time. In many cases, it only takes around 15 minutes to a couple of hours, but in rare situations, it can take up to 48 hours before the changes fully update everywhere. So if you don't see the green status immediately, give it a little time and refresh again later. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a GoDaddy domain to Vercel, update the DNS records correctly, and verify that the connection is working. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.